2018 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, floor mats, cold weather package, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, compass, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, rear window wiper. Come take a test drive today.